Have you ever finished a beautiful Canva design and wondered, okay, how do I actually save this the right way? Well, in this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to save your Canva designs, projects, and presentations in the best formats possible so you never lose a masterpiece again. Let's get right into it. Once your project is open in Canva, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a share button. Go ahead and click that. This button is basically your design's control center. It's where you can share, print, and most importantly, download your work. From the menu that appears, select Download. This opens a pop-up window with all the download options you'll need. Now, here's where you can customize exactly how your design is saved. First, choose your file format. Canva offers several options: PNG, JPEG, PDF standard, PDF print, and more. Each one serves a different purpose. PNG gives you high-quality images, great for social media or web use, and even allows transparent backgrounds. JPEG works well for smaller file sizes. PDF standard is ideal for online sharing, keeping your design crisp but lightweight. PDF print maintains the highest quality, perfect for physical printing. Next, look for the Select Pages or Highlight option if your design has multiple pages. This lets you choose exactly which pages you want to include in your download. Super handy if you're working on a multi-slide presentation or a long document. Once you've adjusted the settings to your liking, click Download again. Canva will prepare your file, and in a few seconds, your design will automatically save to your device. And that's it. Your design is now securely saved, ready to be shared, printed, or revisited anytime. Saving your Canva projects properly ensures your work always stays organized, editable, and accessible, so you can focus more on creating and less on redoing lost work. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tips, and let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy designing!